I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting N8n running and accessible. Choose Docker if you want reproducible deployments. Once done, add credentials, API keys for your chosen LLM and the messaging channel so N8n can authenticate. Then load a minimal dataset, a CSV of example prompts and responses or JSON intents. This gives your workflow concrete test cases. Make sure your webhook is publicly reachable via ngrok or a hosted endpoint so external messages can reach the workflow immediately. That lets you iterate without delays. Now construct the central flow. Hook a webhook node to receive incoming chat messages and map the payload fields you need. Next, transform the input, sanitize text, normalize casing, and run a simple intent or entity detection step so you can route requests intelligently. Then call the LLM node with a prompt template that includes context and user history. This produces curated replies. Finally, branch outputs for fallback handling, logging to a database, and sending the formatted response back to the messaging platform. To finish, deploy the workflow and secure it. Use SSL or a trusted tunnel, enable encrypted credentials, and set retry policies. Then run stage tests. Send normal messages, ambiguous prompts, and stress inputs to verify latency and rate limits. Monitor execution and database logs to confirm state handling. If something breaks, check node-level logs and replay the failing payload through the webhook. Make sure the API key hasn't expired and that your webhook remains publicly reachable, because most failures stem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.